Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best door bottom seal strip stopper for your front door, the GroTheory 2-pack door draft stopper. If you're looking to keep your home comfortable year-round by blocking drafts, noise, dust, and even bugs, this product promises to be an effective and easy-to-install solution. The GroTheory door draft stopper comes in a pack of 2 and measures 39 inches in length and 2 inches in width, making it suitable for most standard doors. Made from flexible silicone, it's designed to bend and conform without damaging your floors, while remaining sturdy enough for long-term use. The triple-layer design works to seal gaps effectively, preventing cold air in the winter and hot air in the summer from leaking through the bottom of your door. This means better insulation, helping your HVAC system work more efficiently and potentially saving you money on energy bills. Installation is straightforward. The draft stopper features a strong self-adhesive backing that sticks firmly to the base of your door. To install, simply measure your door, cut the draft stopper to fit if needed, peel off the adhesive backing, and press it firmly onto the bottom edge of the door. For the best adhesion, especially in colder weather, it's recommended to warm the adhesive with a hair dryer before applying. Once installed, pressing the stopper a few times and allowing it to set for 24 hours ensures a secure hold. This product isn't just for exterior doors. It works well on interior doors, RV doors, sliding glass doors, shower doors, garage entrances, basement doors, and even windows or furniture gaps. Its design helps reduce noise transmission, block dust and insects, and maintain privacy by closing off the gap beneath doors. The GroTheory draft stopper is also thin enough not to interfere with door movement but thick enough to fill gaps up to 1.5 inches. Its silicone material is durable, weather-resistant, and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for any household looking to improve comfort and energy efficiency. In summary, if you want a reliable, flexible, and easy-to-install door bottom seal strip that performs well in all seasons, the GroTheory 2-pack door draft stopper is a solid contender. It offers value by including 2 stoppers in a pack and suits a wide range of door types. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.